In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send TikToks on TikTok. So basically how to share a TikTok video. So the process is very straightforward and simple. So let's just get straight into it. So if, for example, you're scrolling on the TikTok homepage and you want to be able to send this particular TikTok to someone, all you need to do is once you're on the playback page of the TikTok, tap on this little arrow pointing to the right. That is the share icon. Tap on the share icon and then you'll notice you have a couple of options. You can repost it, you can send it to some of your frequently used contacts, or you can share it on Twitter, Messenger, SMS, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and so on. But if you just want to send it to someone, all you need to do is select the person at the top of the bar there. If you want to search for a specific user, come all the way to the right and then tap on this more button right over there, and then you'll be able to see all your contacts on TikTok. Then just tap on the contact you want to send it to. You can write a message included with the TikTok video, so you could say something like, hey, check this out, and then you just simply hit the send button and you can see it says sent to that particular contact. So that's how you send a TikTok video on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.